I've been in the IT space for last 25 years and last 20 years primarily working on the database side, especially on the Microsoft SQL Server platform. I was initially trying to get into AWS certifications also. I achieved 2 certifications, but like my day-to-day activities were more on the Microsoft platform, just looking into Azure. You guys have really a good content on Azure also. I have 2 certifications from AWS, the Practitioner and the Solution Architect Associate. I'm not currently that active in the job market, just building myself. If tomorrow's circumstances come, then I should be ready. The interest towards the cloud has also exponentially increased among the employers with this pandemic. The best part which I have liked is all your instructors have a good experience. When they are delivering the lecture, you can feel it because you are also coming from the similar background. The depth of your content is also really good. It builds out to intermediate thing. Yes, it can't fill up the practical hands-on knowledge, but it helps you to get there. Yes, it fills the gap like what is there in the lecture. You're able to grab it by doing a lab. I keep checking the cloud provider blogs also. I have the good documentations. I did the AWS Solution Architect. I was aware with all the services which AWS provides. Doing in my day-to-day activities little bit, I felt there is a gap at my end about AWS CloudWatch. Linux chapters on the Cloud Academy and especially on the CloudWatch. You guys have a really good content which I missed it earlier about CloudWatch specifically.